corner.
Oh, I got him. I got him. Oh.
What is it?
He's skidding.
Ooh!
Oh! Hey,
Hey, yo!
hey, watch your jet. Hey, give me a hug,
Who's
bro.
this guy? Hey, yo!
Hey, let's go!
What's your problem, bruh? What's your problem? What are you doing? What are you doing? Tell me what you got. What you got going on, bro? Tell me. You wanna hug it out? Yeah? Just chilling? Yeah? Just being big goober? Okay, well, we'll leave you be then. Okay, you have fun now. Oh, it's on me! It's on me!
Oh,
Help!
God!
Help me! Oh, it's all here. Back to the ship! Back to the ship! That stairwell! Oh, shit!
Oh shit! Oh god! Oh god! I'm about to die! I'm about to die!
Oh, there it is.
Please leave a like, subscribe for more spooky, scary content. We'll catch you in the next one.